In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix class not registered error in Windows 7, 8, 11, and 10. So first option you're going to try is go to search bar and type in the task manager. Click enter. And here you want to go and find the Windows Explorer folder. This is the one. Right click and restart. After you restart, if this doesn't fix your issue, then you can go here, type run, and here you need to type DCOMCNFG and then hit enter. Here you need to click on component services, computers, my computer, DCOM config. Click OK, and then OK, and then OK, then OK, and then no, then OK. And here you're gonna see the DCM, so click on it. And now you can just close this down and restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. If this doesn't fix your issue, then I recommend the last option is to go to Windows Update. So here in the update section, check for updates, and if there's an update, make sure you update to the latest version, because this could fix any bugs and issues. And try restarting your computer after the update, and hopefully this fixes your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.